first graders, welcome to our new grammar rules. Are you ready? Today we're going to talk about possessive nouns. For the last two lessons we were talking about nouns. We talked about nouns and we know that nouns are names of a person, place or thing. We talked about singular and plural nouns, and we know that if your singular words end with S, double S or X, we add ES in a plural form, but if it's not, we add S. And we also learn about contractions, which is shortening two words, joining together, and we talked about he is, she is, it is, where is, and we know that you need to remove the letter and replace that letter you removed with apostrophe. Today we will be learning something new, possessive noun. All right. A possessive noun tells who or what has something. Tells who or what has something. All right. A possessive noun that tells about one person or one thing ends with apostrophe S. That's another apostrophe S, but it's different than contractions. Example: the dog's hut. This hut belongs to the dog. So if it's something belong to a person or belong to a thing, that's when I put apostrophe. That's mean what comes after the apostrophe belongs to the noun that before the apostrophe. That's called possessive noun. All right, let's do the exercise and I know you will get it. Circle the possessive noun in each sentence. The dog's hut is in the back. That means I'm talking about this belongs to that dog. So the dog's hut is in the back. So this is a possessive, that word with apostrophe S. This is not contraction for dog is or something. No, this is the dog's hut. So I know that I'm talking about that hut, and this apostrophe S telling me that this hut belongs to that dog. All right. My mom's hat is red. My mom's hat is red. So the possessive noun, it's that word with apostrophe and it comes before my noun. Now I know that I'm talking about mom's hat is red. I'm describing the hat that belongs to mom, that it's red. All right, number 3. An ant's hill is big. An ant's hill is big. So I'm describing the hill belongs to the ants is big, or where the ant is. So the ant's hill. This is the one I'm gonna circle it. All right. Write your own sentence. Use one of the possessive nouns you've circled. So you can use the dogs, the moms, or the ants. So let's say the dogs one is big. So the dog's bone is big. So as you see, I'm describing that bone that belongs to the dog is big. All right? Or mom. So my mom's hat is red. I can say, for example, my mom's car is new. So you're describing mom's car that it's new. So the car that belongs to mom is new. All right? So let's turn the page and see the next exercise. All right. A possessive noun tells who or what has something. A possessive noun that tells about one thing ends in apostrophe S. Still the same. So add apostrophe S to a word from the box and write it to complete each sentence. Circle all the nouns in each sentence. So you're gonna do two things. We're gonna choose the right words, the right noun with the apostrophe that makes sense using the pictures, and then we're gonna also circle the nouns in each sentence, all the nouns. All right. Some sentences get more than one noun, some have only one noun. So let's do it. The blank bed is soft. I know I'm talking about the dog because I see the picture. So the dogs, here the words, and I'm gonna add my apostrophe S because I'm talking about that bed that belongs to that dog. So the dog's bed is soft. right? Now I need to circle all nouns. I know I added one, so I'm gonna circle this, and I know that I see another one, bed, so I'm circling this. So the dog's bed is soft, and these are my two nouns, and I circle them. Number 2, my blank tank is big. So I have to look here and choose the right word. Is it my pet tank is big, or my cup tank is big, my bug tank is big, my fox tank is big? No, I know that it's pet. So my pet's tank is big, and this tank belongs to that pet. So I'm gonna write the word, and I'm gonna put my apostrophe because this is a possessive noun. That means this belongs to that pet. And now, second part, circle all the nouns. I see this is one, and then again I see one here, tank. So I'm circling pets and tank. Okay, number 3. A blank home is not a hut. And I see in a picture fox, so yes, this is the one. So I use this and this, so fox. A fox's apostrophe S home is not a hut, because the fox don't live in a hut. Apostrophe S, that means this home belongs to the fox. Now my second part of my question, circle all the nouns. I see one here. I see another one, home, and then I see. So in this sentence you have 3 nouns, so circle 3 of them. All right, number 4. This blank web is sticky. So I have cup and I have bug. Of course, bug. So this bug's apostrophe S web is sticky, and then I'm gonna write it, add my apostrophe S, because I'm talking about the web, describing the web that is sticky. Now the second part, circle the nouns, bugs and web. Very good. Number 5, the blank den is full. Only one left for me, cups. So the cups, adding apostrophe S, den is full. So the cups, apostrophe S, den is full. And I know that I need to circle the nouns, so cups and den. All right, turn the page and let's see another exercise and for the possessive nouns rule. All right, a possessive noun that tells about one person or things ends with apostrophe S. So still the same, not doing anything different, but I'm gonna write it correctly. As you see, it's written missing either the apostrophe or the apostrophe in the wrong place. So I need to write the sentence again, but fix the mistake or write it correctly. So write each sentence correctly. An ant's hill is little. I see the apostrophe being written in the wrong place. It should be before the S, right? So I'm gonna copy my sentence, but also fix the mistake. Start with my uppercase, ants, apostrophe S, then I write the rest of my sentence, hill is little, and then I put my ending. All right, number 2, the frog's pond is big. They missed apostrophe here. I know where you should put the apostrophe, before the S, up there. So let me write it down. The frog's apostrophe S pond is big. And then put my ending. Number 3, a pig's pal is a duck. So yes, this is a mistake. Apostrophe put in the wrong place. So I'm writing my word again using the rules I just learned and putting my apostrophe in the right place, and write the rest of the sentence. Is a duck. And put my punctuation or the ending. Okay, number 4, Anne's mom can sing. I see my mistake here. I think you all noticed that. So Anne, that's me. I'm talking about Anne's mom. I need my possessive noun written correctly, put the apostrophe S. So Anne's mom can sing. Last one, a skunk smells is bad. A skunk smell is bad. So now I'm describing the smell of the skunk, that it's not good, it's bad. And I have the S, but they did not put the apostrophe. I need to fix this mistake. So I'm gonna write a skunk's apostrophe S smell is bad. So now I fix the mistake and I put it the right way. The skunk smell is bad, and I put the apostrophe. Okay. Now I have, turn the page and let's see exercise page 39. Now we're talking about, again, a possessive noun. A possessive noun that tells about one person or thing ends in, now I know the rule, apostrophe S. All right, so let's see what we need to do here. Write C if a sentence is correct. If your sentence written correct, the apostrophe written in the right place, and the sentence is right, we're gonna put the letter C. That's mean my sentence is correct. But if a sentence is not correct, circle the mistakes. So if it's correct, I'm gonna put C over here, and if it's not correct or wrong, I'm gonna circle the mistake. So number one, the duck's wings flap. I see that the apostrophe always need to be before the S. So this is a mistake. I'm gonna circle the mistake over here. All right. Number two, the dog's spots are black. I think you spot the mistakes. Very good. Circle it. The hen's nest has eggs. No apostrophe because I'm talking about the nest. So this is a mistake. They didn't put apostrophe. And here is the pig's lunch. I see everything is right. They put the apostrophe in the right place. They put the S, and I have my punctuation, the right ending, and I have the uppercase. So everything is right. So this is a correct sentence. I'm gonna see. That means this sentence is correct. Right? Okay. Question B, or the second part of your question. Now write one of the incorrect sentence correctly. So choose any sentence that is written wrong and just copy the sentence and write it correctly. So if we choose the first one, the ducks, apostrophe S, so I have to write it the right way, wings flap. I can write one more because I have more space. So the dog's spots are black. I know I can write it this way. Dog. I put the apostrophe, then I add my S, then I continue the rest of my sentence. Spots are black. Very good. Let's see page 40. Circle the possessive noun that belongs in each sentence. Write it on the line. So I'm gonna write the right word, the possessive noun. I'm gonna circle it, and then I'm just gonna copy it here. All right. My pet's tank is filled. This is my possessive noun. So this is the right one. I'm gonna circle this, and I'm gonna just copy it here. Pets, apostrophe S. Very good. Number two, the cub mom looks at him. Very good. Possessive noun. I know what I'm talking about. This is my rule for today. Possessive noun. So I'm gonna write it, circle it, and copy it on a line. Number three, that dog or dog's L is Nell. I know it's a possessive noun. I'm not talking about plural. Possessive noun. So this is the right choice because I have the apostrophe written in the right place, and I'm just gonna copy it. Are a hen's eggs little? Very good. Yes, with the apostrophe possessive nouns, I'm gonna copy my word. Hens. Number 5, a duck's apostrophe S or a duck pond is wet. Now I'm describing the pond for the ducks, so that belongs to the ducks, that pond, so this is my right choice. Ducks apostrophe S, and I'm copying my choice over here. Ducks apostrophe S. All right. Okay, write 2 sentences about where you live. Use a possessive noun in each. So, talk about where you live and use a possessive noun in each sentence. So, you're talking about where you live. So, you can say, my house or my school grass is damp, or my school grass is green, or my school's parking lot is big. So you're gonna write it here. So let's choose something simple. My school's field, see, you put my apostrophe S, is big. Or where you live, we can talk about your home. So my home or my house is far. Or where you live is big, for example, or small. All right, let's talk about something else. Let's talk about your street, because where you live. So my street is narrow, so you live in a street that is narrow, so my streets, or my street is busy, or I live in a busy streets, or my streets for example, let's say my streets trees are big. So where you live, the trees in this street are big. So my streets trees are big. All right, so you can put any sentence you like. All right, so today we talked about possessive nouns, and we know that possessive nouns tells who or what has something, and the way you write it has to end with apostrophe S. So the dog's hat, that means this hat belongs to the dog, is in the back. My mom's hat is red, so that means I'm describing the hat that belongs to my mom is red. Or like example 3, the ant's hill is big. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.